Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app, Device Check Hardware and System Info from this developer. Then open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!